This bike is a conundrum. It is a 75 Norton electric start. The carbs have been gone through several times. They're absolutely perfect. Good gas flow, a great spark. Time is set exactly and precisely, the initial timing, and the bike won't start. I mean, it won't even try to start. I'm going to show you something interesting. I marked the alternator for timing. And this mark is exactly and precisely at top dead center, okay? Then the pointer, when it's pointing here, the engine's set to top dead center. Timing pointer, this is 28 degrees before top dead center. When the bike is running at full, 3,000 RPMs, this pointer will point here. Okay, the marker and the pointer will coincide here at about 3,000 RPM. That's full advanced. During the starting cycle, this guy should be somewhere near top dead center. You don't want any advance when you're starting, kick-starting, or starting with the electric motor. So I expected that this marker would move over here, right about here, during the start process when I press the starter button. What I found is it moves over to about here, which is after top dead center. I don't know if that's correct or not, but I thought I'd show it to you and ask for your opinion. So here we go. I've got the timing light. I'll reach over and press the starter button, and let's see where the mark moves. I mean, it's way over here after top dead center. The interesting thing, in all the years I've been working on these bikes, I've never tried this before. So I was always assuming that the timing would be set to approximately top dead center, maybe a little advanced during the starting process. Well, apparently it's way over here. I will gladly accept any opinions as to whether or not this is correct or not. I can't find anything that describes where timing is set to during the initial kickover process. And if anybody wants to offer an opinion, I'd be more than happy to entertain it. So let me know what you think. In the meantime, I'm going to do a little bit more work on this guy, try to figure out what's happening. I looked inside the cylinder here with a flashlight, and it looks to me like this engine was just rebuilt because there's no carbon buildup on either piston. And so I'm wondering if it was rebuilt, was it, let's walk over here. If it was rebuilt, did they possibly mess up the valve timing in the timing case? I don't know. At this point in time, I'm not sure. I do know that we're using a vape ignition system. I do know that the static timing is exactly and precisely correct because we've said it several times, Kevin and I. And I don't know, I'm a little perplexed. So anyway, that's where we are. A bike that just will not start and no apparent reason for it. And frankly, guys, when I say a bike is ready to start, it's ready to start. So this bike is bothering me. So any opinions, feel free to comment. Anything that can help me solve this conundrum will be appreciated. Thank you.